If you have a consulting firm, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your consulting firm business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding consulting info, appointments, booking and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your consultant firm business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and over here, I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Pabbly trusted consulting firm, and with that they have provided me 3 action buttons: share requirements, book consultation and get update. Let's click on share requirement. As soon as I have selected share requirement, I got a response reply in which they asked me to describe my requirements or need. As soon as I have entered my requirement and needs, they have sent me a message in which they say, thank you for sharing your requirement. We are reviewing your detail carefully. Our team will propose tailored solution to help you reach your goal. This typically involves analyzing your business, developing a custom strategy and estimate timeline. And with that, they have provided me 2 action button, menu and talk to support. Let's click on the menu option. As soon as I have selected the menu option, I got initial message again. This time, let's select book a consultation. To book my consultation, they want me to choose given option, which are 30-minute consultation, 1-hour consultation and follow-up consultation. I will select option 1. As soon as I have selected my option, they have responded me with a message which says, your consultation is now scheduled. We will be in touch to make the most of our meeting. Thank you for choosing Pabbly. And with that, they have provided me 2 action buttons, talk to support and menu. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much fun and better. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for a consulting firm, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your consulting firm. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about 3 main features which are given inside the flow: start, keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all 3 features, today I'm going to use Reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I will send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start, and browse my image. Like this, as you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I will provide a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button, select the text button, and enter my message, which says, Pabbly, your consultant firm. Hi, welcome to Pabbly, your trusted consultant firm. We are here to make your business grow with ease while serve you time and reduce your admin task. How can I help you today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. And to add action button, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text, which says share requirements. Like that only, I'm going to add 2 more action button, book consultation and get update. Now, for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. For that, let's start with share requirements. To ask requirements from my customer, I need to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my action button and enter my message. Please describe your business need or project in as much detail as wish. What are your main goals, timeline, and particular challenges you are facing? The more we know, the better we can customize our solution. And with that, I'm going to provide an action button which says question and format as any. Now, as soon as my customer enter their requirements or need, I'm going to provide them a message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, which says, thank you for sharing your requirement. We are reviewing your detail carefully. Our team will process tailor solution to help you reach your goal. This typically involve analysis your business need, develop a customized strategy and estimate timeline. With that, I have provided 2 action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. And I'm going to provide a separate message for talk to support. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, which says, if you have any question or need further assessment, please let me know. Pabbly is always here with you. Thank you for choosing Pabbly, your consultant firm. We are excited to collab with you. Now let's move to our second action button, which is book a consultation. To book a consultation for my customer, I need to ask few questions. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my action button and enter my message. Excellent. Would you like to book a consultation with our team to go over these details and collaborate further? Please select the convenient time from the option below. Option 1, book a 30-minute consultation. Option 2, book 1-hour consultation. Option 3, book a follow-up consultation. As soon as my customer select their option, their consultation will be booked. For that, I'm going to select their contact custom field as time slot and format as any. Now, after that, I will send them a follow-up message in which I will mention that their consultant is booked. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, which says, consultation is now scheduled. We will be in touch to make the most of our meeting. Thank you for choosing Pabbly. With that, I have provided two action buttons, talk to support and menu. Again, I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have recently put for talk to support like this. Let's move to our last action button, which is get update. To give update to my customer, I need to ask their ID or name. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message which says thank you for checking in. Please share your project ID or name with me. I will retrieve the most up-to-date information with you. With that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as update and format as any. Now, as soon as my customer enter their ID or name, I'm going to provide them a message which says, once I will let you know the current status of your project. Thank you for trusting Pabbly with your project. And with that, I have provided two action button, menu and talk to support. I will connect this menu button with our initial message. And I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support. So as you can see, I have made this chatbot for consultant firm business using Pabbly Chatflow. On to our last step. Don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.